welcome back to Home Garden Inspiration, your ultimate destination for transforming your outdoor spaces into breathtaking sanctuaries. Today we are exploring 16 budget tiny gazebo ideas for backyard's hidden garden retreats that will elevate your landscape without breaking the bank. From cozy DIY wooden nooks to upcycled material hideaways, these affordable designs will spark your creativity and inspire your next weekend project. If you love discovering fresh ways to beautify your home, make sure to comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing gardening ideas. Building a backyard retreat doesn't have to cost a fortune when you utilize cheap and sturdy wooden pallets. This design uses stacked and sanded pallets for the base and back walls to offer both privacy and a rustic charm. You can paint or stain the wood to match your existing outdoor aesthetic perfectly. It provides the ideal cozy corner to sit back with a good book and enjoy your garden views. A canvas canopy offers a lightweight and highly affordable solution for creating a shaded backyard oasis. Using 4 sturdy wooden posts anchored into the ground, you can stretch a weather-resistant canvas fabric across the top. This minimalist setup allows gentle breezes to flow freely while protecting you from direct sunlight. It is incredibly easy to assemble and can be dismantled quickly if you need to adjust your layout. Transforming old windows into a tiny tea house adds an enchanting, vintage flair to any hidden garden spot. By securing vintage window frames together, you build a unique glass-enclosed structure that lets in beautiful natural light. This setup keeps you sheltered from light wind while still keeping you connected to nature. It is a fantastic way to recycle discarded materials into a stunning focal point. Bamboo is an excellent, sustainable material that brings an instant tropical vibe to your backyard retreat. You can easily construct a simple square framework using thick bamboo poles tied securely with strong twine. A thatched or woven bamboo roof provides excellent shade while enhancing the natural aesthetic. This budget-friendly structure blends seamlessly into lush green foliage and exotic plantings. A geometric timber framework gives your garden a modern, architectural touch without requiring an expensive construction crew. By using basic lumber cuts, you can build an open-air cube or hexagon that defines your relaxation space. Leaving the structure open allows climbing plants like ivy or jasmine to eventually cover the frame. It creates a striking visual contrast against the soft textures of your backyard garden. If you need a quick temporary gazebo that is light on the wallet, consider using PVC pipes wrapped in elegant outdoor curtains. The plastic pipes form a lightweight structure that can be easily painted to look like metal or wood. Hanging flowy weather-resistant curtains from the top frame adds an element of romance and adjustable privacy. This design is perfect for renters who want a beautiful retreat that can be taken down effortlessly. Scouring local thrift stores or online marketplaces can yield a beautiful, affordable metal pergola frame. Placing this metal structure in a secluded corner of your yard instantly establishes an elegant focal point. You can adorn the metal beams with hanging baskets or fairy lights to maximize the cozy ambience. Over time, climbing roses can wrap around the frame to create a living, fragrant roof. Pre-made wooden lattice panels are highly affordable and perfect for creating a cozy, semi-private garden gazebo. By joining 3 lattice sheets together in a corner, you create an instant screen that filters sunlight beautifully. The crisscross pattern acts as a perfect trellis for climbing vines to weave through over time. It offers a secluded nook where you can unwind while still enjoying the fresh garden air. Old wooden doors can find a second life as the sturdy walls of a unique, upcycled garden gazebo. Hinging 3 or 4 salvage doors together forms an eclectic cozy enclosure that bursts with character. You can add a simple wooden slatted roof to tie the entire structure together beautifully. Painting the doors in vibrant or distressed colors adds a playful, artistic touch to your backyard. For a truly organic and whimsical retreat, you can weave living or dried willow branches into a rustic bower gazebo. This traditional method allows you to shape a natural dome or arched structure directly within your garden layout. It costs next to nothing if you have access to willow trees or wild brush nearby. The final look feels straight out of a fairy tale, blending perfectly into a wild hidden garden. Minimalist wire mesh arbor is a cost-effective choice that relies on the natural beauty of climbing plants. By securing heavy-duty wire mesh over a simple wooden arch, you create a sturdy support for aggressive growers like wisteria or clematis. As the plants mature, they form a thick, living canopy that provides complete shade and privacy. It is an affordable investment that grows more beautiful and structural with each passing year. Using corrugated metal sheets for a tiny gazebo roof provides durability and an industrial chic look on a budget. Supported by 4 simple timber posts, the metal roof offers excellent protection against heavy rain and harsh sun. The sound of rain hitting the metal roof creates a soothing, therapeutic backdrop for your relaxation. This sturdy structure requires minimal maintenance and stands up well to harsh weather elements. Creating a beautiful cabana gazebo can be as simple as utilizing colorful, thrifted bedsheets or large tablecloths. By hanging these vibrant fabrics over a basic wooden frame, you create a soft, inviting tent-like structure. This setup allows you to easily swap out fabrics to change the mood or theme of your garden retreat whenever you want. It is a highly customizable and budget-friendly way to introduce color and comfort outdoors. If you have access to fallen logs or thick tree branches, you can build a rustic log cabin-style micro-gazebo. Stacking and securing the logs forms short, sturdy walls that give off a cozy, woodland cabin vibe. A simple slatted roof completes the look while letting filtered patches of sunlight dance through the interior space. This design costs almost nothing and adds a wonderful rugged charm to a hidden garden corner. don't always need a complex roof structure when you can use an existing mature tree to anchor your tiny gazebo. By extending simple wooden beams from a sturdy tree trunk to the ground, you define a cozy circular seating area. Wrapping the structure heavily in sparkling outdoor string lights provides an enchanting glow after the sun sets. It creates a magical, low-cost evening retreat that makes full use of your natural landscaping. Cinder blocks and thick wooden beams can be combined without any complex joinery to build a sturdy, industrial-style gazebo. Stacking the blocks creates solid, heavy corner pillars that hold the wooden roof beams firmly in place. You can paint the cinder blocks or plant small succulents inside their hollow cores for extra greenery. This budget-friendly project concludes our tour, so please comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel for more home garden inspiration, and goodbye.